How to change battery in your Skoda Octavia car key? This instruction tutorial is very easy and is shown on Skoda Octavia MK2 after facelift. So it's second generation, year 2012. So use screwdriver and open cover shield of battery. Then pull the battery out. The battery is CR2032 lithium 3 volts. After inserting a new battery, cover battery and it's done. So that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel, it helps. And let us know what instructions would you wish to get.